Hello and welcome to our review of the Energy Cube system. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at this innovative product and discussing whether it's worth the hype. The Energy Cube system is a revolutionary new device that promises to help you save money on your energy bills while also reducing your carbon footprint. It is a complete solar power system that can be installed in your home or business. The system comes with everything you need to get started, including solar panels, an inverter, and a battery backup. It is easy to install and can be up and running in no time. The Energy Cube system is designed to harness the power of the sun to generate clean, renewable energy that you can use to power your home or business. It is a great way to reduce your dependence on fossil fuels and help protect the environment. The Energy Cube system works by capturing the energy from the sun using solar panels. These panels are made up of photovoltaic cells that convert sunlight into electricity. The electricity generated by the solar panels is then sent to an inverter, which converts it into usable electricity that can be used to power your home or business. Any excess energy that is generated is stored in the battery backup, so you can use it later when the sun isn't shining. This means that you can have a reliable source of backup power in case of an outage. There are many benefits to using the Energy Cube system, including saving money on your energy bills, reducing your carbon footprint, providing a reliable source of backup power in case of an outage, increasing the value of your home or business, and helping to protect the environment. Installing the Energy Cube system is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to find a suitable location for the solar panels. This should be an area that receives plenty of sunlight throughout the day. Once you've found a suitable location, you can begin installing the solar panels. This involves mounting the panels on a sturdy frame and connecting them to the inverter. After the solar panels are installed, you'll need to connect the inverter to your home or business's electrical system. This will allow you to start using the energy generated by the solar panels. Finally, you'll need to connect the battery backup to the system. This will ensure that you have a reliable source of backup power in case of an outage. Now let's address some frequently asked questions. Q. How much money can I save on my energy bills by using the Energy Cube system? A. The amount of money you can save on your energy bills will depend on a variety of factors, including your location, energy usage, and the size of your system. However, many users have reported savings of up to 80% on their energy bills. Q. Is the Energy Cube system difficult to install? A. No. The Energy Cube system is designed to be easy to install and can be done in just a few simple steps. The system comes with everything you need to get started, including detailed instructions. In conclusion, we believe that the Energy Cube system is worth the hype. With its innovative design, ease of use, and many benefits, it's a great investment for reducing your energy bills and carbon footprint, while also providing a reliable source of backup power.